2025 is shaping up to be an exciting year for DIY enthusiasts and tool lovers, and Dremel has some of the coolest tools you've been waiting to see. From precision engravers to powerful cordless multi-tools, you'll surely be amazed by the tools they have. Dremel VersaFlame Butane Torch. Starting off with the Dremel VersaFlame Butane Torch. This is a tool that really opens up possibilities for both DIY projects and hobby work. The standout thing about the torch is it comes with the needed versatility, all because of the included accessories, which let you do everything from soldering and heat shrinking to small welding jobs and more. Instead of fumbling with a separate ignition tool, it has an integrated ignition button that lets you fire it up instantly, which is super convenient. Once it's running, you're not locked into one setting either, because the variable temperature and flame control give you the flexibility to adjust it exactly the way you need, whether you want a precise torch or a broader flame. And since it's made with premium quality materials, you can count on it to last through plenty of projects. When it's time for a refill, the built-in filling valve makes the process quick and easy, so you can get right back to your work without downtime. Now here comes the Dremel 8150 rotary tool. It's one of those gadgets that feels small in size but big in performance. What you'll notice first is the pencil-like grip, which makes it super comfortable to hold and gives you precise control, especially when you're working on detailed projects. And here's the best part, it's not limited to just one type of job. Whether you want to engrave, cut, polish, sand, or even sharpen, this little tool can handle it all. Plus, it's compact enough to tuck away in a toolbox, garage, or even a drawer, so it never gets in your way when you're not using it. Charging is easy too, thanks to the convenient USB-C port, which means no more messing around with bulky chargers. Once you power it up, the variable speed range from 5,000 all the way to 30,000 RPM. And to make things even better, the bright built-in LED light keeps your workspace illuminated, so you can see every detail clearly. Since it's fully compatible with all Dremel rotary tool accessories and attachments, you can keep expanding what it can do, making it a go-to tool for just about any DIY or hobby project you can think of. If you're someone who loves tackling DIY projects at home, the Dremel Blueprint Multi-Drill is about to become your new best friend. Unlike a regular drill, this tool is built to do much more than just bore holes. It combines a high-performance drill, a built-in stud finder, and a detachable laser level all in one compact ergonomic design. That means whether you're hanging a gallery wall, mounting shelves, or installing a TV, you don't have to keep switching between different tools or guess if everything is perfectly level. The quick change chuck lets you move from drilling to driving in seconds, and the precision clutch ensures your screws go in exactly how you want them, flush, sunken, or just right for the project. On top of that, the brushless motor is optimized for maximum power and longer runtime, so you get a strong, reliable tool that won't slow you down even during longer projects. Altogether, the Blueprint Multi-Drill isn't just another drill, it's a 3-in-1 DIY powerhouse designed to make every project smoother, faster, and way more enjoyable. Next up, the Dremel 8240 Multi-Tool brings the power of a corded tool into a fully cordless portable design, giving you the flexibility to work wherever your project takes you. Despite its small size, it delivers performance on par with the corded Dremel 4500, so you don't have to compromise on strength or precision. The removable 2Ah battery provides extended runtime, allowing you to focus on your work without frequent interruptions, while the cooler operation ensures comfortable handling during longer sessions. Its user-focused design makes it easy to control and operate, and full compatibility with all Dremel accessories and attachments means you can expand its use as needed. To get started right away, it also comes with a 5-piece accessory pack covering the essentials, making it a versatile and reliable tool for a wide range of DIY and hobby projects. Tired of scrubbing stubborn stains by hand and wishing cleaning was easier? The Dremel PC10 Versa Power Scrubber is designed to take the effort out of cleaning while giving you excellent results on a wide range of surfaces. It comes with 5 fragrance-free Scrub Daddy cleaning sponge pads, each built for specific tasks. The Flex Texture scrubbing pad is perfect for general cleaning on stovetops, tile backsplashes, and stainless steel sinks, while the Reso Foam pad handles delicate surfaces like mirrors, glass, or metal frame shower doors and kitchen or bathroom faucets. For everyday scouring, the General Scouring Pad tackles tough stains on pots, pans, ceramic sinks, and even outdoor metal furniture. Plus, the Eraser Daddy 10X pad with its Flex Texture foam gems works on everything from kitchens and bathrooms to outdoor surfaces and even your car.
The Dremel Hot Glue Pen is designed to make gluing fast, precise, and effortless. Unlike traditional glue guns, it heats up in just 15 seconds, so you can get started on your project without delay. In addition, its precision nozzle tip allows for detailed application while reducing drips. which makes it ideal for crafts, small repairs, and other DIY tasks. It uses standard 0.28-inch glue sticks, and the kit even includes 4 sticks to help you get started right away. Moreover, the ergonomic pen-shaped design provides extended comfort, reducing hand fatigue during longer projects. The integrated 4-volt lithium-ion battery holds a charge for up to 18 months in storage, and the LED battery indicator clearly shows when the tool is fully charged or needs a recharge. Finally, for added safety, the glue pen automatically shuts off, combining convenience, precision, and reliability in a compact and easy-to-use package. The Dremel Multimax MM35 is a powerful oscillating multi-tool designed to handle a wide range of tasks with ease. With its 3.5-amp motor, it can tackle even the toughest applications, whether you're cutting, sanding, or scraping. In addition, the innovative tool-less accessory change allows you to swap attachments quickly and securely without needing a wrench, which saves both time and effort. The extra-wide 3.2-degree oscillation angle ensures fast and precise cuts, giving you the speed and accuracy needed for any project. Furthermore, the variable speed control from 10,000 to 21,000 oscillations per minute lets you adjust the performance depending on the material and task, offering optimal control and results. The tool is also ergonomically optimized, featuring a soft grip that enhances comfort and control during extended use. On top of that, the durable 7-foot rubber cord provides a wide working range, so you can move freely without constantly switching outlets. Altogether, the Multimax MM35 combines power, precision, and convenience, making it a versatile tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. The Dremel Engraver is a versatile tool that lets you explore your creativity and take your crafting to the next level. Designed to fit comfortably in your hand, it provides precise control for engraving a wide variety of materials, including glass, metal, plastic, leather, wood, and ceramic. In addition, the stroke adjustment dial allows you to regulate the depth of your engraving, so you can create everything from fine lines to deep grooves depending on your project. Its light and compact design, combined with a soft grip, ensures comfortable use even during extended sessions, giving you better control and accuracy. Furthermore, the replaceable carbide point lets you engrave on most surfaces, while the included letter and number template makes it easy to add personalized text to your creations. Altogether, the Dremel Engraver combines comfort, precision, and versatility, making it an ideal tool for both beginners and experienced crafters alike. Dremel 8260, this is the world's first brushless smart multi-tool, bringing the power and performance of a corded tool into a fully cordless design. In fact, it delivers 20% higher power compared to Dremel's most powerful corded tool, while offering 100% more runtime than the Dremel 8220, allowing you to complete projects faster and with less interruption. Additionally, its high-speed brushless motor provides maximum torque, resulting in 20% faster cutting speeds for tough materials. One of its standout features is smart connectivity, which lets you control, monitor, and manage the tool through the Dremel app, giving you a level of precision and customization that was previously unavailable. The 8260 handles a wide range of Dremel applications and comes with 5 easy Speed Slick accessories for 6 times faster accessory changes, and it's fully compatible with all Dremel multi-tool attachments. Altogether, the Dremel 8260 combines power, efficiency, and smart technology, making it an advanced, versatile tool for both DIY enthusiasts and professional users alike. Wrapping up with, the Dremel Blueprint Portable Saw Station is designed to make cutting effortless, whether you're working on a DIY project or tackling home improvements. It allows you to make miter, bevel, straight, and rip cuts with ease, performing similarly to traditional circular and miter saws, and it handles common project materials like trim, vinyl flooring, and 1-inch by 4-inch boards. In addition, its compact foldable design makes it perfect for small spaces, so homeowners, renters, and DIY enthusiasts can store it easily in closets, garages, or even under beds without hassle. To make projects smoother and more manageable, the SawStation comes with cutting guides, material supports, and clamps, providing all-in-one support right out of the box. Furthermore, the integrated laser alder lets you visualize cuts instantly, minimizing errors and ensuring precise, quality results every time. Powered by a rechargeable 12-volt battery, it offers a convenient cordless solution compatible with other Dremel Blueprint power tools, while the 2x4 cutting guide allows for quick and accurate cuts by simply clamping it onto your material and riding the saw along the guide. So these are the coolest Dremel tools of 2025 that are sure to make any DIY project more efficient, precise, and fun. From innovative multi-tools to portable saw stations, these gadgets combine power, versatility, and smart design, making them a must-have for every tool enthusiast this year. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, comment, and share your favorite tool with friends who love DIY as much as you do.